My name is Sharon, and I'm the company, one of the owner. We're working for, lots of architecture and developer for city of Vancouver. And even we do lots of international projects for US, Dubai, for China, for Hong Kong. But we main focusly is in the BC. We do like over 80% of the marketing model in Vancouver because we have lots of projects going on. Vancouver real estate market is booming. I think the machine, actually the machine, it's really help us.
My name is Levon Reed. I work at AB Scale Models as the laser technician and operator. I've been operating a Trotec laser cutter for the last 5 years. The two that we have here at AB Scale Models and a SP1500 at a different company. What I like about Trotec laser cutters is the ease of use, the detail that you're able to get as compared to other models of laser cutters, and the user-friendly interface. Job control is much easier to work with than other software that operates other laser cutters. Using lasers to make scale models cuts down on actual time building the scale models. You can get precision that doing it by hand you just wouldn't be able to get.
The company was from 1990, and actually quite long, for almost 27 years. And we started from only 3 people, but now we have more than 40 people. And we have 2 different shifts, day shift and a night shift. But what's purpose is because night shift, the laser machine, they never sleep. The laser machine always 24 hours running because we have 4. But these 2 bigger machines really help. We're working for the architecture model, professional model shop here. We can use this laser machine to working our project. It's speed, it's fast, very accurate, and the power you can set in different power. Then the piece come out, it's perfect. It's not only we satisfy our client satisfied, it's the quality. And the other thing I have to mention, the service is really good. Even the headquarters office in Toronto, and when we call, everything they would by menu to tell my guy one by one until we solve the problem. And thank you for watching the video. We really appreciate people interested. If any people in any country, any area want to make a model, AB Scale Model is the right place.